In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add a card for future stays and how to update payment details on an individual reservation when a property asks for prepayment. Let's start with adding a card directly to your account so it's ready to use when needed. Open the Booking.com website or app and sign in. Head to your profile or account settings and look for a section labeled Payment Methods, sometimes shown as My Profile followed by Payment Methods. Choose Add a payment method or add credit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and your billing address, then save. When this is set up, Booking.com can use the stored card automatically for bookings that require online payment or a guarantee. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Make sure the name and billing address match what your bank has on file, and double-check the expiration date and the 3-digit security code. If your bank uses 3D Secure or one-time codes, keep your phone nearby to approve the verification. If a card is expired or replaced, come back to this same spot to update it so you don't run into last-minute payment issues. If you're using a business account, you can also add a company card under Administration in the Payment section, or add a personal card under My Profile in Payment Methods. This keeps company and personal spending organized while still making checkout fast. Now, sometimes you'll be asked to add or edit a payment method for a specific reservation instead of saving it globally. Go to your bookings or trips, open the reservation you want to pay for, and find the option to add or edit payment method on that booking page. Enter your card details there, or choose a supported option such as PayPal or a digital wallet if it's available for that property and region. Be sure to save and confirm before the payment deadline shown on the booking. Missing that deadline can lead to automatic cancellation. Keep in mind that not every account shows a universal wallet of saved cards. In some cases, you'll enter your details at checkout for each booking, depending on the property's policies and the payment methods they accept. If a payment doesn't go through, check for typos, make sure the card is enabled for online or international transactions, and confirm you're paying in the correct currency. That's it. Add a card in your account for convenience, or add it during a booking when prompted, and you're set for a smooth checkout on Booking.com.